Yacht Crew Vlogs right here on Yachting International Radio. My name is Ria. I am your host. And today I am joined by Cecilia Vera, correct?
Vera.
And you work with Boatshed Palma. Now, Boatshed Palma is actually a small part of a worldwide conglomerate of yacht brokers.
Is the best international agency for brokers.
Okay.
So we are here in Palma with a small team. We are working 20 years ago in all the world. So here in Palma is really amazing because we have a big industry, nautical industry.
Yes, it is very large. Before we get into Boatshed Palma, though, I want to know a little bit about Cecilia. Where are you from, and how did you get into yachting?
Well, I was born in Valencia, so I come here to Palma for new opportunities of job. So when I was young, 20 years ago, I was a swimmer in open water. So my passion for boats was wake up when I understood how the sea works and became interested in nautical industry. So I was working as a stewardess on board, as deckhand, and everything. And all my life, I has enjoyed as relation publics and consultant. So I saw the opportunity and I thought, oh, why not? Tim is the big broker of our team in Palma, and he did me an interview. And when I passed the interview, I was really amazing because this company, the values and ethical is too much important, and I feel like really comfortable with all of them.
What took you from wanting to be on the water to wanting to work on land?
This quarantine, I did the interview, so was productive for me, and only I take 1 month as a broker with the company. So all my life I was a sailor in several boats. So I understand everything, engineer and interior and everything of the boats as my team. For this reason, all brokers are certificates with a really good education in the Boatshed. We have a good education before get the job.
Well, do you think that there is a boat for everyone? So there is generally, if you have, say, 30 boats that fit into the price range that somebody is planning on spending, is there a specific boat you think usually matches the potential buyer?
Well, we have 920,000 reviews in our website. And the most important thing, and is good for everybody, is Uh, if you refers boats for sale or buy, you can earn a good commission, and I can share my commission with you.
Okay, so it's a profit sharing sort of deal as well. Nice. So where do you work? If you are working out of Palma, is it possible that you can sell a boat, say, in Canada?
Only the brokers here in Palma sell or buy boats here, not in another um, place or country, because there are a lot of brokers in our company in every world.
So if somebody in another country, for example, has dealt with you in the past, but they want to move to, say, for example, England, they've sold their boat, so you would refer them to another broker in England.
Yes. Um, for example, if there are boats there, only the boats of Brighton or maybe uh, Canada, etc. These brokers, uh, his mission is this country, not Palma, for example, but uh, between us can help, no problem. So my job only is in Palma.
How long has Boatshed Palma been in business?
Palma has here maybe around 6, 7 years.
Okay. But the company itself has been in business over 20 years in the UK.
Yeah, in the UK and in um, United States, but here in Palma now we have a big team, 5 partners, um, compañeros.
Yeah, yeah. 5 people.
Sí, 5 people. And each year grow up more the company here in Palma. So, furthermore, has knowledge every team and understand the boats. So, 1,000 sell or buy boats really fast. The brokers, 1,000. How do you say? Um, in 1 month, more or less.
Wow. That's quite significant. Are you selling more boats now?
During the quarantine,
Yeah.
uh, we was working really hard, and only you can't find sellers because who buy the boats visit our web and look the reviews and reviews and events, but this month was difficult only for the move another place or visit the boats or the port or meet people um, with a video call, everything. But
Yes.
we have a lot of um, projects. For example, maybe the next month we want to do networking, a event networking of yachting, nautical industry, and for my point of view, it's not difficult if you have energy and you are positive. The attitude is all in the life. If you fighting, you get your goals. in everything in the life. So only we are patient with everything. So now in Palma, we are privileged in Spain because you can do sailing, you can move, you can uh, mm, visit more people. So this company is professional, is they all of them have ethical values, and the treatment of brokers if the best. You can't look in the reviews and the comments or Facebook.
Yes, and you sell boats from like small fishing boats up to larger yachts, correct?
Powerboats and sailing, uh, sometimes more big, sometimes less. So you must know everything about, and we do a limited photography in boats and virtual photos, because the most important thing is the customer and owner be happy.
Do you think in the next month or two that the industry, the nautical industry, you're going to see more boat sales, you're going to see more activity on the water here in Mallorca?
Yes, I think so, because from my point of view is uh, the people that has business.
Mhm.
The first thing that is not the most important thing in their life is property, and maybe they decide sell and the price is down, is a good opportunity for another people that they want buy boats. We have really beautiful boats in the website, and all of them, if you, for example, do a review, you can't get a commission for us. It's a opportunity too for another people that they have a business, and we can do synergy maybe. So Boatshed is open. Sorry, how do you say?
Open mind.
Open mind.
No worries. Well, we are going to make sure to provide all of your information in below the interview when we air this, so that those that are interested in possibly selling, buying, or referring, they will be able to contact you.
Thank you very much for your time. Uh,
No, thank you very much. It's really refreshing to have you come on board. And in the past, I have had people that shy away from interviews when their English isn't perfect. And I commend you. You've done absolutely amazing. So I thank you.
so I am doing an effort because it's not my native language, but I can't speak Spanish and Mallorquin if you wish.
Perfect. Well, once again, everyone, thank you so much to Cecilia Vera from Boatshed Palma. It is an international brokerage company straight across the face of the planet, but we will make sure to provide the information below this interview if you're interested in buying, selling, or referring. Once again, you've been watching another edition of Palma Yacht Crew Vlogs right here on Yachting International Radio. My name is Ria. I have been your host. Tune in again for another episode.